Right, so this is where we left off in the last video. I forgot to take a picture of where we finished, but we got the two roof panels on from the old shed, and we got part of the frame in for the door. I've got to finish framing that up, but let's jump into the next video. Got some more dismantling of the shed to do. As you can see, the boys have already been cracking on with that because we need them pallets to put the floor in. We put the frame in for the door. I just got to finish framing up the side and put some battening in there and finish screwing it all down.
Daddy.
And once we've got all the braces and that on, we're going to try and clear some of these pallets down and start making a floor. So yeah, instead of just smashing it.
Yeah, that's what I've been trying to do. Yeah, I was going to take that off. But then there's a few ones. So now is it easier?
Yeah. Oh. Why do you do, Maya? I told you them ones don't smash. They have to be peeled.
Thank you, Daddy. Any more screws in this? Daddy, didn't I use screwdriver to get this? Oh,
that's why I just leave that one. Where's my saw?
yeah,
Where did you guys put my saw?
I saw that.
Did you have it with Mummy up there? Go get it then, quick. Run. Right, let's see. Is this panel moved off yet?
Daddy,
Or is it screwed in somewhere else?
if you get
Go.
Max, see?
Right, stand on that end, please. Thank you. On the end, not in the middle. Thank you. This is a case of measure twice, cut once. I only measured once.
Daddy, I just want to take this also.
Easy with that, please. screwdriver. And I need your help.
Right, do I hold it or
Just hold it tight. No, this side. So I've got to do the bottom. Right, kick it in. Squeeze it tight against there. One more screw, please, Ryan. That's it. Thank you.
Okay.
do we switch hands for a minute? You don't have to. You
Right, Max. I will get your name right in a minute. Help Ryan with the inside.
yeah, because
Yeah, outside is
Because
actually.
there's loads of panel bits of wood on there
yeah,
that need shifting.
this bit I
I'm doing this bit.
yeah,
That is actually good. It's so tiny.
no, don't bash it that way. Don't bash it that way. Right, you're gonna have to move because I'm gonna bash it towards there. Out with my switch. Got it.
Okay.
No, don't bash them mats. They can need unscrewing, but not yet. We want to get all these ones off first.
That's fine, isn't it?
This one's going to need to come off before we can use the other. Need this one, mate.
Flathead screwdriver, please.
Somewhere.
Got it. Thank you. This one. And this one off.
Max, no, Max, no. Max, no. No one's doing because these ones can just be
There you
pulled off. That one won't come off until that one's off. And that one won't come off until that one's off. And I'm getting that one off.
And there's one there. Well, thank you.
Right. Look, Max, I'm almost ready to come off. This one's ready to come off.
Don't die. Oh, yes, it's not. I think I found out another way that they. But you don't need the screwdriver. Get stuck.
Right, no more doing that one, Max. Because I'd rather
Now,
get these
the idea of me screwing from the inside of the frame is so we don't have any pointy out screws around the door frame. They all go into the wall.
bits on the blue. I'm not breaking the pallets, I'm breaking the bits of wood that were on the pallets.
Right, that's fine.
The old wood now flying.
So we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, at least 4 braces at 7 inches long. I should have enough. Do it. If I don't, I've got other bits of wood I can use.
Fine. Oh, no.
So let's get these marked. So as you can see, we're making a bit of headway now with the dismantling. Part of the wall of the first cabin has been dismantled. So I'm just going to pause that here, have a bit of a tidy up.